This video is on arithmetic progressions AP of Exemplar. In this video, I have explained 5 questions. Question number 21 to 25 of exercise 5.3. This is part 9. 21st question of exercise 5.3 is find the sum of 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 5 plus minus 8 onward minus 236. This is its first part. There are 3 parts. Now here A is equal to 1, D minus 3, AN is equal to minus 236. So I am to find its sum. It means I am to find Sn. First I'll find N. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN is minus 236. A is 1. I'm to find N and D is minus 3. Minus 236 is equal to 1 minus 3n plus 3. Minus 236 is equal to minus 3n plus 4. 3n is equal to 236 plus 4. 3n is equal to 240. N is equal to 240 upon 3, that is 80. It means I am to find the sum of 80 terms, S80. Now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula for Sn. So Sn is 80. This is 80 by 2, 2 into 1 plus n is 80 minus 1 and d is minus 3. That is 40, 2 plus 79 into minus 3. 42 minus 237. 40 into minus 235. I'll get to minus 9400. So sum of 80 terms is equal to minus 9400. Now the second part is find the sum of 4 minus 1 by n plus 4 minus 2 by n plus 4 minus 3 by n up to n terms. Now here A is equal to 4 minus 1 by n. D is equal to 4 minus 2 by n minus 4 minus 1 by n. That is 4 minus 2 by n minus 4 plus 1 by n. 4 and 4 cancelled. I have minus 1 by n. I am to find Sn. Formula for Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is n by 2, 2. Instead of a, you will write 4 minus 1 by n plus n minus 1. Instead of d, write minus 1 by n. That is n by 2, 8 minus 2 by n minus 1 plus 1 by n. That is n by 2, 7 minus 1 by n. 7n by 2 minus n by 2 into 1 by n. That is 7n by 2, n and n cancelled, minus 1 by 2. 2 is the LCM, 7n minus 1. So that is the answer. Now the question is, third question is, find the sum of this up to 11 terms. We have to find its sum up to 11 terms. Now here A is equal to A minus B upon A plus B. D is equal to 3A minus 2B upon A plus B minus A minus B upon A plus B. A plus B is the LCM. You will have 3A minus 2B minus A plus B. Now this is equal to 2A minus B upon A plus B. Now here n is 11. I am to find S11. So that is equal to 11 by 2, 2A. A is equal to A minus B upon A plus B plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1. D is equal to 2a minus b upon a plus b, equal to 11 by 2, 2a minus 2b upon a plus b plus 10, 2a minus b upon a plus b. This is equal to 11 by 2. You take the LCM a plus b, that is 2a minus 2b plus 20a minus 10b. This is equal to 11 by 2, 22a minus 12b upon a plus b. 11 by 2, take 2 common, I have 11a minus 6b upon a plus b. So the answer is 11, 11a minus 6b upon a plus b. This is the sum of 11 terms. Now the 22nd sum is, which term of the AP minus 2, minus 7, minus 12 onward will be minus 77? Find the sum of this AP up to the term minus 77. Now here AP is given minus 2, minus 7, minus 12 onward, and last term is minus 77. So first I'm going to find n. Now here a is equal to minus 2 and d is equal to minus 7 minus minus 2, that is minus 7 plus 2, that is minus 5. And an is given minus 77. Now write the formula for an. A plus n minus 1 d. An is given minus 77, a is minus 2, plus n minus 1, d is minus 5. Minus 77 minus 2 minus 5n plus 5. Minus 77 is equal to minus 5n plus 3. So 5n is equal to 77 plus 3. 5n is equal to 80. So n is equal to 80 by 5, that is 16. So value of n is equal to 16. So I am to find here sum of 16 terms. So I am to find S16. So formula for Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Substitute the values here. So n is 16, S16, 16 by 2, 2a is minus 2 plus n is 16 minus 1 and d is minus 5. That is 8 minus 4 plus 15 into minus 5. That is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 75. That is equal to 8 into minus 79. That is equal to minus 632. That is the answer. So in this sum, first you will find n, then you will find S16. Now the 23rd sum is, if an is equal to 3 minus 4n, show that a1, a2, a3 form an AP. Also find S20. Now here an is equal to 3 minus 4n. Now substitute n is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to 3 minus 4, 1, that is minus 1. Now a2 is equal to 3 minus 4, 2 is equal to minus 5. Now a3 is equal to 3 minus 4, 3, this is equal to minus 9, so on. A2 minus a1 is equal to minus 5 minus minus 1, that is minus 4. A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 9 minus minus 5, that is equal to minus 4. Since common difference is same, so this forms an AP. So it implies minus 1, minus 5, minus 9 onward is an AP. So here A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to minus 4. I am to find S20. So formula for Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. N is 20, so this is 20. S20 is equal to 20 by 2, 2 into minus 1 plus 20 minus 1, and d is minus 4. This is equal to 10 minus 2 plus 19 into minus 4. This is equal to 10 minus 2 minus 76. This is 10 into minus 78, that is minus 780. Therefore, sum of 20 terms is equal to minus 780. Now the 24th question is, in an AP, if Sn is equal to n, 4n plus 1, find the AP. I'll solve this question with two methods. And the first method is method 1. Now here Sn is equal to n, 4n plus 1. Now substitute n as 1. Then S1 will be equal to 5. Now substitute n is equal to 2. Then S2 is equal to 18. If n is equal to 3, then S3 is equal to, that is 39. So S1 is equal to A1 is equal to 5. We know that. And A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. That is 18 minus 5. That is 13. A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. That is equal to 39 minus 18 is equal to 21. So AP is 5, 13, 21 onward. This is an AP. The second method is, we know AN is equal to Sn minus 1. Remember this formula. Sn is equal to n, 4n plus 1 minus Sn minus 1 is n minus 1, 4 n minus 1 plus 1. 4n square plus n minus 1 in one bracket, 4n minus 4 plus 1 in another bracket. This is equal to 4n square plus n minus 1 in one bracket, 4n minus 3 in another bracket. That is equal to 4n square plus n minus, multiply these two brackets, you will have 4n square minus 3n minus 4n plus 3. This is equal to 4n square plus n minus 4n square plus 3n plus 4n minus 3. This is equal to, this and this is cancelled, 8n minus 3. So an is equal to 8n minus 3. Now substitute n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 8 into 1 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Substitute n is equal to 2. Then A2 is equal to 8, 2 minus 3, that is equal to 13. Substitute n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 8, 3 minus 3, that is 24 minus 3, that is 21. So on. It means AP is 5, 13, 21 onward. You can adopt any of the methods. So I have written here both the methods. Which one you find it easy, you can adopt that. Now 25th question is, in an AP, Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n and AK is 164. Find the value of K. Now Sn is 3n square plus 5n. Substitute n is equal to 1. S1 is equal to, that is equal to 8. Now substitute n is equal to 2. That is equal to 22. Substitute n is equal to 3. S3 is equal to 3 square plus 5 into 3. That is 27 plus 15. This is equal to 42. Now A1 is equal to S1 is equal to 8. A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. This is equal to 22 minus 8 is equal to 14. A3 is equal to S3 minus S2 is equal to 42 minus 22, that is equal to 20. So AP is 8, 14, 20 onward. Now here A is equal to 8, D is equal to 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. Now AK is given 164. A plus K minus 1, D is equal to 164. A is 8 plus K minus 1, D is 6 is equal to 164. 8 plus 6K minus 6 is equal to 164. 6K plus 2 is equal to 164. 6K is equal to 164 minus 2. 6K is equal to 162. K is equal to 162 by 6. That is equal to 27. So value of K is equal to 27. This is the end of the video. In this video, I have explained 5 questions, that is from 21 to 25. In the next video, I'm going to explain next 5 questions, that is from 26 to 30 of exercise 5.3.